Hi, I'm Candace, and I reviewed for Tomoson, for my Tomoson review. I did a review on Hot Innovations Fidget Cube with the American flag on it, and I got it for a discounted price to try and do a review on. Well, I'm going to show you how it works. It's really very relaxing. Has these little gadgets. See this cute little part right here? You can do like that. Helps relax you. Little clicker right here. Has little buttons. You just press on them. Boop, boop, boop. And as well as this little part, and it makes a little clicky sound. And it has little, comes with a silicone covering skin for it. It can come off. You can take it off if you don't want it on there. And these little black things go, you can make them go. This is perfect for 4th of July. It's a perfect little thing for 4th of July because its cute little American flag is very patriotic. Sorry, I just can't stop playing with this thing. It's amazing. I bought it off of Amazon. And I love it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching my Tomoson review for the cute little flag cube. Thank you. Bye-bye.